Okay, good morning everyone, and welcome to the Magical Math session. And as the name said, today's session is going to be magical. And your speed of calculation, especially when it comes to multiplication, is going to not just double, it's going to become multifolds. This is my promise. And next 15 or maximum 20 minutes, if you pay close attention, you are going to learn the trick, and also to somewhat practicing also will happen during the session. And after the end of the session, I want you to practice whatever you learned, and definitely you will be able to tell the tables up to 100 without uh, even having a glitch. Just with a fraction of seconds, you should be able to tell the tables. This is my promise. Are you ready for learning that? Yes, of course. But there are some three prerequisites. What you have to learn for what you should have known to master this. One thing is you should have known tables at least up to 10, because a simple multiplication, if you don't know, we can't learn the tables. Correct? Tables up to 10, and you should be able to tell up to 10 wherever I ask randomly. If I say 6 8s are, you should say 48. 7 9s are 63. 5 6 are 30. Like this, whatever we say, you should be able to tell very quickly. And second thing you should have known is mental addition. For example, 36 plus 64, you should be add up to 100. 24 plus 12, you should be quickly able to add up to 36, like this. And if you don't know the mental addition, please go through the videos what we have done already in the sessions, and I want you to become familiar with these things. And the third concept what I wanted you to have as a prerequisite is, any tables when you multiply followed by 0, the result also is going to get added 1 0. For example, if you know the 3 table, 3 6 9 12, like this, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, then 30 table will come with just adding 0, 30 60 90 120, like this. If you know 5 table, 5 10 15 20, then 50 table is going to be just add 1 0. This concept I think all of you know. These are all very simple concepts, correct? So let me tell you one simple trick which will work for the tables which are closer to 30, either plus or minus side, closer to 50, closer to 60, like that. And then, is it shared here? Whiteboard, is it visible to all others? Please just type yes in case you are able to visit this. You are able to see the whiteboard. It's not seen here. Okay, just let me. Oh, sorry, it's not shared. Oh, thank you for pointing out. Now, is it visible? Yes, is the whiteboard visible? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that. And I said these are the three prerequisites. You should be knowing tables up to 10. You should be knowing mental addition. And then we have this tables. If at all we know the table of 3, knowing table of 30, 300 is very simple. 5, 50, 500. These are all very simple. And also the third concept, if you know the tables of these numbers, we can tell the tables very adjacent to that one. This is easier for the tables like this. For example, if you have the table of 20, 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60. This is what the table of 20. And 21 table, if you want to know, just for writing, it is easier to add just corresponding 1, 2, 3 and all. 20 ones are 20. So 21 ones are you will get by just adding 1. For 22s are 40. So 21 twos are means for 40 you add plus 2, you will get 42. 23s are 60. Plus 3 if you add, you will get 21 threes are. Same way, if you are going to subtract minus 1 minus 2, you are going to get the previous table. 21s are 20. So if you subtract 1, you will get 19 ones are. 22s are 40. 40 minus 2, you will get 92s are. 60 is the 20 into 3, that is 60. So if you subtract 3, you will get 19 threes. Like this, corresponding numbers, if you are going to subtract, you are going to get the previous table or the next table. For example, if you know 25 fives are 125. So if you want to know 26 fives are, just you add 5 to this because it is multiplied by 5. No? You add 5 to this, 26 fives are 130. So whenever you know the familiar tables like 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 80. For example, 86 are 480. So if you want 81 6 are, what you are going to add? Just to add this 6, you will get 486. These are the three concepts which are the prerequisites for you to learn. Now we'll go to the actual trick. Actual trick works on the splitting the numbers method. For example, when you have 55, 55 can be written as 5 plus 5. Sorry, 50 plus 5. Same way, if you know 46 can be written as 40 plus 6. 24 can be written as 20 plus 4. Correct, no? Suppose 18 can be written as 10 plus 8. That means 10th digit, whatever we have, 1 is multiplied by 10 and 8 is multiplied by 1. This is the basic splitting of the numbers. Correct? Suppose you have 97 means 9 tens are 90, 7 ones are 7. This is the splitting method. And suppose we want to multiply 18 into 4. What I'll do? In mind, I will split 18 as 10 plus 8 and then multiply by 4. So what you get? 10 fours are 40, 8 fours are 32. You add these two, 40 plus 32, you will get 72. But do we need to write everything like this? No. This calculation we are going to do it in mind. Let me explain 24 into 6. What we do? First we'll do 20 into 6. That is 120. Then we'll do 4 into 6. 24. When you add these two, you will get 24 6 are 144. Suppose 46, if you take 46 into 7, if you want to take, what we'll do? For this, I will multiply by 7 in mind. Initially, you practice by just writing on the paper only these two numbers and adding, but gradually without writing, you should be able to practice. 47s are 280 because 4 sevens are 28, 0 I will put plus 6 sevens are 42. So what do you get? 280 plus 42. This addition you know by the mental addition already, correct? No? 28 plus 4, 32. So you will get 322. 46 sevens are 322. While explanation it is taken as if we are spending time for 5 to 6 seconds. But when you practice, you will be able to tell within fraction of seconds. For example, 97 into 9 will take. What we'll get? Just into 9 we do. 9 nines are 81, therefore 8 10. 7 nines are 63. So when you add these two, what you get? 8 10 plus 63 is just 8 73. Got it? This is the simple method of multiplication. Now let's do some multiplications using without using pen and paper. Let's start from the simple numbers. We'll start from the table of tens and 20s first. Let's try 17 sevens are. How do you do? In mind, I will take 10 sevens are 70 plus 7 sevens are 49. 70 plus 49, 119. Even if you don't know the table of 12, 13, 16, also you will be able to do with this. Let's take 15 eights are. 10 eights are 80, that you can tell in mind. 8 fives are 40. That is 80 plus 40 is 120. For example, if you take 19 6 are, 10 6 are 60, 9 6 are 54, therefore 114. When we add 114, we get. This is a simple number. Let's take in 20s. Suppose you want to do 23 sevens are. You know 20 sevens are 140, 3 sevens are 21. 140 plus 21, we'll write 161. Correct? Whenever I am writing this, you parallelly keep trying to do in your mind. Let's take 24 6 are. If you ask me, I will tell directly 144 because I have practiced this many times. It will become very easy. 26 are 120, 4 6 are 24. 120 plus 24 is 144. Correct? Maybe you will take 28 sevens are 27s are 140, 8 sevens are 56. In mind itself we should calculate 140 plus 56 is 196. What I do, 140 plus 56 also, I will always add these two. See, the smallest number that we get is 10 ones are 10. Correct? No, for two digit number it may be two digit number, so we don't. Okay, the largest number what you may get is 99 into 9. So 99 into 9, if you do, 99s are 810, 9 nines are 81. Here also I will add only just these two. 810 plus 81 we'll get it is 891. That means we are getting only the three digit numbers. When you are finding a table of any number from 10 to 99, you will get the maximum you are going to get is 892. That's the three digit number only. So you need not add all the numbers. Just you add 5 to the second digit, 140. In mind, 9 should come in your picture. So directly you say 1 that added 9 and 6. Okay, let's practice little bigger numbers and parallelly you try with me. Let's go for 38 into 7. 37s are 210, 8 sevens are 56. So I will add only 1 and 5. Correct? No? So 266. Clear? See, 37s are 210, 8 sevens are 56. 210 plus 56 is 266. Then we'll say maybe 44 into 4. Whenever into 4 we do, we can use the previous trick what we have learned. Just double and double. Correct? No? 44, 88, 176, like that you can say. That is very easy whenever we are multiplying with only 2 or 4. But first we'll follow this method. Even this method also is going to take the same time. 44 is a 160. 4 4 is a 16. 160 plus 16, 176. It requires a little bit of a practice. No, it requires a little bit of just a practice. And once you practice, you are going to get this very well. Let's take 55 into 5. Easier one. 55s are 250, 5 5s are 25. So 275 is the answer. Correct? Yes, that was 176. This is 275. Very quickly you will be able to do. Let's take a little bigger number. 78 into 9. What we do? 79s are 630. 8 nines are 72. This is a little bigger number. 630 plus 72, we will get 702. It takes a little bit of time. So such questions, what I'll do? Instead of doing with this, 78 tens are, we know 780 minus 78 you can do. That is one more method, but that is little time consuming. Always try to follow this method. It's the one which is going to save our time. Shall we practice a little bit? I will ask you the questions. Let's see. Be ready with your chat keyboard. How fast you are going to type, let's check. Okay. Let's say, let's start with simple numbers. 46 into 4. Type it fast. Who will type fast? Let's see. 46 into 4. 44 is a 160. 6 4 is a 24. Always we'll start from the tens and then units. So that addition is very easy. Yes. Very good. It is 184. You're all very fast. Let's take 49 into 8. Let's take this. Yes. Very good. 49 into 8. Simple. 48s are in mind. You will not say all these things. Directly you will be speaking about 320 plus 72. That's it. Only 320 plus 72 should come in your mind. Correct? Yes. 320 plus 72 is 392. This is good. And as I say, even for me, when I learned this trick, initial few days I had to practice. Gradually, it will become our second nature. Yes, it is 392 is the correct answer. Or else what it happens, sometimes we'll be confusing 320 plus 72. Addition, we are going to make a little bit of confusion, but don't get confused. It requires a little bit of a practice. That learning of technique is hardly 15 to 20 minutes, but practice what you should do. Whenever you are finding time, you keep asking yourself questions. Let's do this. 76 into 7. 77 is a 490. 6 sevens are 42. That's it. Correct? 76 sevens are then directly in our mind it should come 490 plus 42. Yes, very good. All of you. You have come 532. Very fast. Correct? And I know for typing you are taking time, or else calculation is very fast. Correct? Let's see one simple number. 32 into 6. 32 into 6. In mind directly you should go for 180 plus 12. 32 into 6. Yes, it is. That's it. Directly, I will say 180 plus 12, it is 192. Go for a little bigger number. Let's take 86 into 7. For me, it goes like 560 plus 42. Directly, I will say. That's it. Correct. 8 sevens are 56 means 560. You should know that 87s are. No? Plus 6 sevens are 42. That's why having being able to tell the tables up to, yes, very good. Kriti, and many people you had given, it is 6 not 2. Being able to tell the tables up to 10 randomly is the key for this. You should be able to tell tables up to 10 very fast, then you will be able to do this one fast. Let's take 77 into 7. 77 into 7. Very simple. 490 plus 49. That's it. That should come into our mind. Yes, it is 539. Very good. Some of you are very quick. Keep practicing this. This is not one time learning, but the technique you will remember forever. I know that one because the technique is very simple. You take first tens digit as tens into something, and then you will just add the unit digits multiplication. This is the only concept. And there is one more method which is called two finger method. The two finger method will tell very fast, like by just only these numbers, by moving you will be able to tell in a fraction of seconds, but that requires you to learn some more basic prerequisites. In the days to come, I'm going to teach that also. Was this useful? Whatever the method you learned, was this really useful? If you found it useful, just type just S, English letter S. Was this method useful for you? The tables, whatever you have learned? Yes, definitely. But more use you will find as you practice. Knowing, many people, all of you have learned, but practicing, if you do, you will become excellent. And you people should become a mental calculators, I said. Correct? No? On stage, whenever they say, whatever number they say, you should be able to tell the answer very quickly. Keep practicing, and we'll be there with one more exciting session tomorrow. And till then, take care. Bye bye. Like we said, maths में definitely मजा है. Correct? See you tomorrow morning.